Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok your videos doesn't post. To know how to fix or to solve your videos doesn't post, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of TikTok. Here in this page you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. Then we click Play Store. You will find an uninstall. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.